Hey there. Today we're talking about Bauplan and Orchestra and how you can connect the two together. You can visit our docs site if you want to read more about this Bauplan integration, but we're going to go and kind of show it in the portal today. So first off, I'll show connections Bauplan from Orchestra. All you need is an API key from the tool, and then you need to connect it to a Git source with some code that's going to be able to run in Bauplan, and that should all be set up and ready to go. We'll just confirm that. Yes, it is. Cool. So next, we'll just jump straight into a pipeline. We will look at it first. So there's kind of a few ways you can use Bauplan and Orchestra. We've demonstrated some here. One is this kind of write, audit, publish pattern, which currently runs as Python code, but is connected to Bauplan. There is kind of a blog that Bauplan have done on this that we'd recommend you read if you want to find out more. And then we have two native jobs connected to Bauplan. So one is executing a pipeline and the other is performing a data quality test. If I jump into this, you can see some of the parameters that are required, such as the project directory, the Bauplan reference, and some optional parameters as well, passing in parameters directly or changing the namespace, etc. For the data quality test, you can actually just write some pure SQL, and that will run against your data set with some threshold expressions and perform that test and output the necessary result. So if we just go and view the latest run now, you can see these three steps have happened in series, but it's going to happen in any pattern within Orchestra. If we open up this, for example, you can see the logs of what's happened. So it started this task, performed an S3 scan, read the table, performed a quality check, and then passed. And then if I go to the next step, which is executing a pipeline, if I open this up and explore, you can see that there is logs being taken from Bauplan and viewed here. We can also click this link and this will open up directly into Bauplan and you can see further information about what was just run. And then finally, there is the data quality test that's run. You can see it's in a warning state because 114 rows returned where the warning threshold was greater than 25. And yeah, that's an example of how you can use Bauplan.